So here's Donna's upper yard, and you can see a lot of this is going down toward the house, so we're going to steer it this way. So we're going to try to intercept the springs up here and then carry them around. You can see we overlap the joints generously, especially at a junction like this. So we mounted some of it, and what we're doing is running a sprinkler over the mounded up areas to see any final settling before we finish off putting a little skim of topsoil in and planting it. This is where the HydroBlox daylights at the end of Donna's yard. We had an inch or so of rain last night. This used to be just a soggy, wet mess in here. Water running through the HydroBlox down from the drainage field we cut in Donna's yard a month ago, and now you can hear it's just crunchy, and all the water has gone away and it's heading into the woods down there. And here's the same area. There was a swamp. See, now green grass.